This is the easiest chess pie recipe ever. You can whip up a simple, delicious chess pie in just a few minutes with this really easy recipe. This happens to be my 41st stop in my 50 video series where I'm making every state dessert in America. Yes, that's right, all 50 state desserts, which is just ridiculous. We're on number 41 somehow. Let me know in the comments what your guess is for the state that has chess pie as the state dessert. The recipe will be linked in the description as well, so if you want to make this at home, go check it out. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can join me every week for new amazing recipes. So checkmate, let's make some chess pie.
All right, so we start with some softened unsalted butter in a large bowl, and we're gonna add a couple cups of granulated sugar to that. Now with your hand mixer, just beat this on medium speed for a couple minutes until it gets light and fluffy. Now, kind of like we would with eggs in a cake or cookie recipe, we're gonna add them one at a time. They are room temperature because you don't want them to re-solidify the butter. After the eggs are added, we've got vinegar and vanilla going in with some evaporated milk as well as some cornmeal. Now this interesting mixture is gonna get mixed until combined and go in a pie crust. It can be either store-bought or homemade, whatever you feel like doing. And then this is gonna go in an oven, first at 425, and then you're gonna reduce the temperature for another 40 or so minutes until it's set. Just let it cool all the way until you can slice it, and it's actually really, really good. So I urge you guys to try this recipe.
I love the simplicity of this recipe, and I love how it gets that golden brown, crackly top. That is like heaven to me, honestly. The fact that all the ingredients just go in one bowl, you don't have to cook the topping ahead of time. It is really, really simple. And in case you guessed which state has this as a dessert, according to my research, it is Virginia. And apparently this recipe dates back to 1824 in the Virginia Housewife Cookbook under the name transparent pudding. Like, girl, that's not transparent, it's opaque. And apparently I got my research right here. The name chess pie could come from a southern accent pronunciation of just pat, just pat, just pat, just pat, chess pie, just pat. It's not clicking for me. I will say I love how the filling's set up. It is gooey, it has great color to it, smells delicious. Yum! Considering this filling is legit just made of butter, sugar, eggs, a little bit of evaporated milk, vanilla, vinegar, and cornmeal, curiously enough. It is like the perfect sweetness. It is lusciously smooth. The crackly top adds texture to the rest of the pie. This is a knockout, y'all. Once again, the recipe is linked in the description if you try this at home, which I think you should because it is pretty darn good. Be sure to catch the rest of this 50 video series. We have only 9 videos left in this, which is absurd to me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can check out all of my weekly videos, both shorts and long form. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys for the next video.